Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox no internet connection error. So first, check your network and try opening Studio again. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Open a web browser and visit any website to confirm internet access. If you cannot access the internet, try the following. Restart your router. Use a different device to check if the internet is working. If it's not working, head over to your browser and search for downdetector.com. On the top, search for Roblox to see if there are any current down server on Roblox. Over here, you can check and read if there are any problems or just reported. You can also visit the Roblox server status page by typing status.roblox.com. On your browser, look for any ongoing issues or outages reported on the site. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they're back online, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.